Hi guys, the first thing that comes to the mind when you start your preparation for the CAT exam is where to find the exact syllabus of the CAT paper. So this sheet I've made from the last 2 years ka CAT papers. I've taken the average of last 2 years to bring you the what is the syllabus. You can download this sheet from the description box. So I've given the link for this in the description box. Yeah, so let's check it out one by one. So that's the complete sheet. So DI logic point of view, arrangement, logic based DI, quant based DI, games, and traditional DI. This is only thing which is coming in the CAT exam. Yeah, and this also the new type question, not your traditional circular arrangement or linear arrangement. Yeah, so that's the new type of question which are coming. Games, tournament, all these things. So all you have to do is download the sheet and keep it in front of you wherever you study. So जो topic होता जाएगा tick मारते जाओ. Just keep ticking the topic which you are done, and you will find your confidence level going up, and preparation obviously will be happening as per that. I want you to prepare as per that. Okay. Same from the quant point of view, modern maths is the main part. 10 questions are there from the modern maths and 10 questions are there from arithmetic. These are the two main chapters of the CAT paper. तुम आगे कुछ मत करो, ज्योमेट्री छोड़ दो, numbers छोड़ दो, but you have to do modern maths and arithmetic. Yeah. And from the geometry numbers point of view, another 7 questions and 7 questions from time, speed, distance, time and work, PNC. Yeah, so these are your 34 questions from the quant section. Same from the verbal point of view, RC is 24 question, one social, one business, one history, and one science. That's a typical trend. Parajumble, summary, odd sentence. So this is your 34 mark ka verbal section. Yeah, so download the sheet and keep it in front of you whenever you study. Just complete all. There are total 34 topics. And these 34 topics, if you complete in next 30 days, we are able to complete the full syllabus एक बार. I'm not saying you will get score marks, you will be scoring marks immediately, but we are able to understand the syllabus. And then we start performing आगे जाके. Okay, now great news that we have the red books delivery starting. So today is Friday, so Monday we are going to send our first lot. So tomorrow or the weekend that guy will pick up the books from our center and we'll start delivering that thing. So we are delivering by a special courier services which is almost charging us double the cost, but that's fine. But the only catch is it will take minimum 2 weeks to deliver. They are saying 2 to 3 weeks because logistics, we don't know how smooth they are. See, because of the lockdown, some areas a lockdown is there, some areas a lockdown is not there. So this is the main problem which is going to come. So we are sending the books, but delivery might take 3 weeks. And same thing is happening even where the lockdown is over. In some of the places, one of the student told me he have ordered the Flipkart order, but they are also saying that will take minimum 10 to 12 weeks for the Flipkart to give. Yeah, the Flipkart which used to deliver in 3 days is now taking 10-12 days. Yeah, because obviously the backlog is there. So I can say that another 2 to 3 weeks you can expect the book. So in Mumbai, most probably from 1st of uh, June, we'll start giving the books from the centers if the lockdown is over. So we'll start giving the books from in Mumbai from 1st of June. In the meanwhile, you can order the books online. Yeah. So why you need our books? Why our books are there? First of all these famous books which you can buy, 100th edition, 50th edition, they're old. They are very very old books. They include the things which have stopped coming in the CAT exam for the last 20 years. Yep. For example, this is the syllabus of one of the famous book. Yep. Which contain all the chapters which are there. So can you guess which topic is not coming in the CAT exam? None of them. None of them is coming in the CAT exam. Only games and tournament is coming. Apart from that, all these things is not coming. Last time we have seen all these things, syllogisms in the CAT exam was in before 2000. So I mean almost 20 years पहले आता था. So these books are outdated now. So what you can go for is go for our red books which are made in January 2020. Yes, we make the book every year. I make the book after the CAT exam. So the December CAT exam got over. I sat for 2 weeks, made these books, and then sent for the publishing. So you're getting the latest book with CET King. So because of lockdown, we are giving you a Kindle kind of a software where you can see the books via mobile or via laptop. We have no other option, but we have to wait for that books to come. So we'll another 2 weeks will be too optimistic. I'm sorry about that. So Monday we sent. So next 2 weeks we are looking at you will get the books. Otherwise 3 weeks I'm assuming that from today you'll get the books for sure. Yeah, this is what is promised by my courier service. Okay, in the meanwhile, why to stop the preparation? So all the ebooks are available with you, so you can start your study. And this video is also giving the opportunity to make the index of the paper. So complete index I am going to make. So this is a DI Logica book and DI Logica index now. So index, team formation, games and tournament, mathematical reasoning, which is quant based reasoning, and miscellaneous new type question. That's it. Only 4 chapters. And then there are 4 tests as well. Yeah. So this is the only thing you have to do. This is the only syllabus. Rather than looking at that many things, that's it. And this is DILR. DI and logic combined together into one set. Okay. Same way, DI logic book number 2, fill in the blanks, caselet, again games extra question, quant based DI, logic based DI. So only 90 pages here and 100 pages there, around 200 pages, not more than that total. So I want you to complete the books ASAP so that we can go online. I want to study as much as online, as many tests you can give online. Yeah, so this is a finite syllabus so that we can complete all these things in 2 months. Aram se ho jayega in 2 months and you can move on. Except quant, everything else you can complete in 1.5 months also. Okay, so that's the DI logic point of view. Moving to the verbal section, one book is dedicated for RC because 24 questions are based on RC. So this 82 pages I want you to complete, then online test, online mocks, everything I want you to do online. And the RC book is designed in such a way, we starting with the small RCs, paragraph based RC, then we move to bigger RC, fact based RC, inference based RC. So everything is covered in this book, which you can go for. Verbal 2. Now this is 10 mark ka paper. We have para jumble, sentence arrangement, odd sentence out, para completion, critical reasoning, and main idea of the passage. This is the syllabus which is coming in the CAT exam for the last 10 years. Apart from that, nothing is coming. You can buy the Moti books, but I have checked all these books here. Moti books, if you buy, that book contain 200 pages of grammar and vocab, which is not going to come in the CAT exam. So why to waste my time on them? Yeah, this is our complete CAT ka syllabus. Quant book, these are the 10 chapter of the quant. Numbers and arithmetic is covered here. You can pause the video and take a screenshot. And book number 2 contain the remaining topic. Even the Mota book, I've checked, you already know which book I'm talking about, do not contain trigonometry. There is no chapter of trigonometry. Even after having 700-800 pages, the syllabus is not complete. So this book is made after the CAT exam, covering up all the topics which are coming in the CAT exam. Cubic equation ka CAT mein question aata hai. Not very often, but yeah, it is coming in the CAT exam. So we have added that as well. Yep, so there's a full finite syllabus for the CAT exam. So in case you want to join us, you can join us by calling us these numbers. Immediately we'll be providing you with the ebooks and you'll be getting the hard copy in your hand in next 3 weeks. We can deliver in 2 weeks also, but I'm keeping some extra leverage 3 weeks. So please order now, don't delay. In case you want to buy our program, you can join now along with the books, mocks, whichever program you want to join, you can join. All right, now this is the part 1. Yeah, cutoff clearing. The target is to clear the cutoffs. We have the part 2 as well, the Lavender books, in case you want to join for both the programs. The Lavender book is phase 2. Yep. So you can buy only red books phase 1 or phase 1 and phase 2. So phase 2 means the level will go up. Yep. But I can promise you that in case you are able to complete these topics from the book, I can promise you will be clearing the cutoff. Quant ka, especially those are scared of quant, every chapter go and tick mark every question of that chapter. Yep. You have to look at the solution, no problem. But if I can promise you that if you are able to do every chapter, fine, ratta maro yaar, hame aata hai. As an Indian student, we know how to rectify things. With the promise that tomorrow if you see the same question, you should know how to solve. And that's all I need from you, and you can clear the cutoff. Okay. Alright, so all the best. In case you want to order, you can join us at CET King. All the best.